Hey y'all, it's your girl Vanita coming at you with a YouTube video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video from Smile Direct Club. I just wanted to kind of show what all is in my box and what to expect. So real quick, going back 2 weeks ago, so tomorrow will make 2 weeks ago, I went to Buford for a consultation. It was a 45-minute consultation. Buford was the local branch to actually have the 3D scan done instead of doing impressions at home. Didn't want to do that, so like I said, I went to Buford. It took about 45 minutes or so. They did the 3D video. Y'all gonna hear my cat because she's doing too much. Doing the 3D video of my teeth, or the scan of my teeth. They gave me my whitening kit, which I do have right here. On this day, so this is the whitening kit. They gave me this chapstick and just some information. Told me to wait 3 business days or so. In 2 business days, I received my email that had what my teeth looked like and how they would look at the end of my plan. Most plans can be around 6 months. My plan is 4. Surprisingly, I guess I really don't have as much to shift as some people do, but so I'm on a 4-month plan. They told me that. They told me the 22-hour wear would be the best option, and we went ahead to do the payment. It's $250 down and then like $1,800 over the course of however many months. I guess I could kind of get those numbers and maybe put some information down the bottom. But I went ahead and did that, or you can pay it all up front. So I did do the down payment, and I'll just pay it in installments each month. So fast forward, after I received that email and made payment, a week and a half later, here I am with my aligners already. They come out of Tennessee. I live in Georgia. I was told that it would take around 5 to 6 weeks to get my aligners. I don't know if it's because I have less aligners because I'm on the 4-month plan, or if I just got lucky. But yeah, so this is the box that they came in. They came FedEx, and it says a smile inside, handle with care. I thought this was super cute. And then it has the Smile Direct packaging on it. So let me just go ahead and open this up. I'm too lazy to go and get scissors, but I literally came right in the house and came right in here to do a video. So my keys are in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box. This is what the box looks like. Open for a lifetime supply of confidence, and it says Smile Direct on it. So awesome. Let's see, I have a very small bathroom counter, y'all, so y'all gonna have to bear with me as I struggle to get this bad boy out of here. Let's see, let's throw that out there. So this is what the box looks like. Big, nice purple box. So yes, I think they call this color purple. When I went for my consultation, they gave me a $25 Amazon gift card, as well as a $25 gift card to the Smile Direct store. So I will be getting a toothbrush from them. I just haven't gone to look. But I can't turn my camera. But this is what the inside of the box looks like. It has whitening gel over on this side. Then this is the chapstick in the middle, that little ball. The thing for your aligners, your chewies, and your aligner remover. Let's see. Smile stretcher below. This right here is just a little thing you can open your mouth up with, so you can really see. And then down here at the bottom, I'm maneuvering this box around a whole lot, y'all, but that's just where the aligners come out. So super happy, super satisfied. As far as the Smile Direct store, the toothbrush that I want is $25, so I'll just pay the shipping. They have more chapsticks that you can purchase on there. The brush head and the battery refills come together. I think that's like $5. They do have a toothbrush that's $29 that you can get an aligner cleaner with it. It's $4 more. I guess you could do that if you wanted to. You can select colors. I just knew that purple color because that's the color that they call it online, because it's kind of a bluish purple packaging. But yes, I am super excited to start this journey. Today is January the 29th. Of 2020. Like I said, 4 months from now, hopefully my gap will be closed. This is kind of the gap that I am working with. I have a bit of crowding at the bottom that you can see, and I have an overbite. So trying to work all of that stuff in to kind of close some things in. It's been a long time coming. I've always had my gap, always loved my gap. It fits my personality. But as I get older, I do want my teeth to be a little bit straighter. And like I said, close that gap. So I am super excited for this journey. I do plan to take you guys along with me, just so that I can document for myself, but also share the journey with others. So until next time, YouTube, take care.